Hello everyone, what is going on? Your boy TwardB with another video. So in this video I'm gonna show you guys how you can do the product research for Q4. So I'm gonna make it a quick video, super simple, super easy for you to understand everything you're gonna need to implement the strategy. So let's go guys. The tool we're gonna be using today is Commerce Inspector. If you don't know Commerce Inspector, it's simply a tool that's gonna allow you to find trending products. Here it shows you the product themselves. So here I'm gonna open this product up here. It shows you also the ads on Facebook, everything you're gonna need. So here is a Shopify store selling this product. So here is the top trending ads for this month. You can also select for the last 7 days, today as well. So here are the trending ads for the last 7 months. Let's go and click this one, for example. So this is this is for Christmas. As you can see, Christmas products are trending right now. Let's go and scale this down a little bit. So here is this product right now. It's going viral, as you can see. It has 9.7k of likes, engagement. So that's it guys. So to use this tool guys, all you need to do is go to google.com and type Commerce Inspector. Here you have a Chrome extension for it. You're gonna need to install that as well. It's not that helpful as the website itself, but it's still helpful so much guys. So here is the website right here. All you need to do is go ahead and create your account. You wanna click on login. Here you go guys. It's super simple, super easy, just like that. So guys, in this side margin right here, the first thing you will find is my size. What this will do is whenever you go ahead and check, for example, let's type Gymshark, for example. It's a well-known Shopify store. It's a $1 billion Shopify store, by the way. So here is Gymshark. It shows you all the information you need. Traffic 4 million plus per month. So if you want to track this store, you're gonna just need to enter it for $1 guys. Super simple, super easy. So the second thing you will see right here is the trends. So in this first section you will see the top posts. These are all Facebook ads. Let's click this one, for example. So this is a Facebook ads guys, as you can see. Not now. So those are some lights, as you can see. Okay, let's go ahead and close this one. So the second section right here, as you can see, is top products. So this is the one that shows you the Shopify store for it. Silicone bath body brush. Let's open this one up. Here it is guys. It sends you directly to the Shopify store. So the third option we have right here is the top e-commerce groups. I don't think this could be so helpful for me, but for you it may be. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for another video. If you find some useful information to get your winning products from this tutorial, just don't hesitate, drop down a comment below. Just tell me how you did, what you did, anything you need. Just comment down below and I will be answering all of your questions. I give a lot of time for comments, so see you again in the next video.